solid triangle, rectangular, and hollow triangle marking holes on the front are used to mark golden triangles starting from 100 mm, 90 mm, and 80 mm respectively. The semicircular and hollow rectangular marking holes on the back are used to mark the golden triangles starting from 60 and 70 mm. There are two sets of triangle holes in the golden ratio design. The 2 mm set is shaped as inverted triangles. The 3 mm set is shaped as upward triangles. The circles ranging from 7.2 to 90 mm in radius can be drawn. There are two rulers available in the tool. A centimeter ruler with a length of 10 centimeters, 100 mm, an inch ruler with a length of 3.5 inches.